Hello students. So in this video we'll see MCQs on second topic, that is electrostatic potential and capacitance. So first ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, find the work done by some external force in moving a charge 4 microcoulomb from infinity to point where potential is 10 raised to 4. So infinity potential 0 ಇರ್ತದ. So work done is given by charge into potential difference. So that is final minus initial. So charge is 4 microcoulomb. So 4 into 10 raised to minus 6. Initial means infinity. Here potential is 0. So 10 raised to 4 minus 0 will be 10 raised to 4. So if you simplify, you will have 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 joule. So option A is our answer. Option A is our answer. Second, equal charges are given to two spheres of different radii. The potential will be. So if you see charges are equal charges antana, radius is different. So if I take formula of potential, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by radius, so I'll keep it as capital R. So charge is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant, so I can say V is inversely proportional to R. Means if R increases, V decreases, or you can say if R decreases, V increases. This option nodri will be more on smaller sphere, andre radius kami ada, potential ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ದೇನದೆ. So radius ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ potential ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ತದೆ. So option A is the answer. Third, three charges plus 2q minus q are located at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle antana means it is a regular figure. Last topic ಒಳಗೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. At the center of a triangle. So if a figure is a regular triangle, if charges at vertices are equal and like charges, if charges at vertices are equal and like charges, equal like charges ಇತ್ತಂತೇಳಿ, then electric field at the center will be 0. Electric field at the center will be 0. Now if you see here, all three charges are not equal and like, so electric field at the center will not be equal to 0. ಈಗ options ನೋಡ್ರಿ, field 0 ಅಂತಾನ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, field is non-zero ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ both are 0 ಅಂತಾನ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. So answer is either B or D. Now you should find V. So regular figure center ದಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ R remains equal for all three. R will be equal. So potential at center ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿರಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught ಇದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂತು. Even R ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Just I will be taking inside. Potential is a scalar quantity. So charges 2q by R minus q by R minus q by R. So simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ bracket simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿರಿ, LCM same ಅದ, numerator add ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you will get 0. So potential at center is 0 but field is non-zero. So ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? B is the answer. Clear ಅದ? Next, in a region of constant potential, electric field is uniform, electric field is 0, there can be no charge inside the region. ಆಮೇಲೆ last. So potential is constant antane, so V is equal to constant. If V is constant, then dV by dx will be always equal to 0. we know that E is equal to minus dV by dx. So dV by dx 0 aitanga E also becomes 0. Means our answer is electric field is 0. Electric field is 0. Fifth one, two plates are 2 centimeter apart and potential difference of 10 volt is applied between them. So distance kottane, potential difference kottane. You are required to find electric field. So all are positive. So just magnitude totane E is equal to dV by dx, or here you can say V by D. Potential difference by distance between them. Potential difference 10 ada. Distance 2 centimeter ada. You should convert it into meters. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Meters ಒಳಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 2. So 10 raised to minus 2 ಮೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this becomes 1000 by 2. 1000 by 2 is 500 Newton per coulomb. So options ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ B is our answer. B is the answer. Clear adare? Next, sixth one. The electric potential V at any point O, x, y, z ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನೆ, all in meters in space is given by this. You are required to find electric field at this point 1, 0, 2. So ಈಗ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಷ್ಟು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ E is given by minus dou V by dou x ಅಂದ್ರೆ partial differentiation with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to y, partial differentiation with respect to z. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ V ಏನದ, it is just function of x. V is just function of x. So I can write E is equal to minus dV by dx. V the equation ಒಳಗೆ y ಇಲ್ಲ z ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ y z ಬರುವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ minus 8x. ಈಗ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ. x 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತದ. ಸೊ minus 8 into 1 you will have minus 8. So minus indicates direction. So 8 is the magnitude. Minus ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ along negative x direction. So 8 along negative x direction ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ x axis ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ A is the answer. Clear ಅದರಿ? Next, work done to move a charge along an equipotential from A to B. So equipotential means potential difference is 0. So potential difference will be 0. So work done is given by W is equal to Q into V, where V denotes potential difference. Equipotential andaga V 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, so work done will be 0. So work done to move a charge on equipotential surface is always 0. Next, eighth one. There is a uniform electric field E which is as shown in the figure. How many labeled points will have same electric potential as fully shaded point ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ again it is based on E is equal to minus dV by dx, or you can just remember E horizontal direction ದಾಗ ಇತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. All the points in this vertical line, ಹಿಂಗ್ vertical line ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ all the points on this will be having same potential, ಅಥವಾ ಇದೇನು ಅನ್ಬೋದು equipotential ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Equipotential. So here if you observe shaded point ಇಲ್ಲದ, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು 1, ಇದು 2, ಇದು 3. So 3 points have same potential as that of shaded. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Next ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ two conducting spheres A and B of radius small a and small b. are respectively at same potential ಅಂತಾನೆ. Then the ratio of surface charge density you are required to find. Means you are required to find sigma A by sigma B. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಥ್ರೂದು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತಾನ. So I will take VA is equal to VB. Now before substituting here I will simplify. V the formula ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. Q in terms of sigma ಬರದಂತೇಳಿ surface charge density. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge will be sigma into 4 pi r square ಅದರದ radius. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ radius ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ small r ಬದಲಿ I will take it as capital R. So now if you simplify this 4 pi ಹೋಗ್ತದ. Sigma ಒಂದು r cancel ಆಗ್ತದ. Sigma r divided by epsilon naught ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this I will use here. Easy ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಒಂದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ. VA will be, so surface charge density sigma A ಅದರ radius A ಅದ divided by epsilon naught. Similarly V ಬರ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sigma B radius is small b by epsilon naught. Both side epsilon naught gets cancelled. So we will have sigma A by sigma B will be equal to B ಕಡೆ ಇದು A ಕಡೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ B by A. Now check the options. So B by A ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Clear adare? Next, when a positive charge Q is taken from lower potential to higher potential, then it's a potential energy ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ. Now suppose there is a charge Q ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So on this line I will take 2 points A and B. A and B. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋತೇನೆ. So as a point will be near to the charge, here potential will be more. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ high potential, here potential will be low potential. ಅಂದ್ರೆ work done to move from infinity to B will be more than work done to move charge from infinity to A. So now Q is taken from lower potential to higher potential ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ದಿಂದ B ತಂದು. So when you are moving from A to B, if you move towards the charge, R decrease ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If you move away, small r increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Now how potential energy is related to R? So you know that U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 into Q2 divided by R. Means potential energy is inversely proportional to R. So when you move from lower potential to higher potential, R decreases. If R decreases, potential energy increases. So potential energy increases means option B is the answer. Clear adare? Next ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ when one electron is taken towards the other electron, then the potential energy of the system. So when you are moving two electrons towards each other, you are required to do work. So work ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. That work is stored as energy. So repel ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, work ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಸೇವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So potential energy increases. Potential energy increases. Or you may think in this form. ಇದು minus E, ಇದು minus E. ಎರಡರ ನಡು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ R ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾನೆ. So potential energy is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. ಎರಡು multiply ಮಾಡಿ minus into minus plus E square by R. So when they are taken towards each other antana, taken towards each other, R decreases. R decreases means potential energy increases. So potential energy of the system increases. Next, a capacitor of capacitance C1 is charged to potential V1 and then connected in parallel with another capacitance C2 and potential V2. the final potential difference across each capacitor. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಟೂ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂತೀರಿ, ಈಗ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡೇನೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you should always take that positive is connected to positive, negative is connected to negative. So ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು common potential V will be equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. So that is option A is the answer. Now suppose if he says that positive of one is connected to negative of another ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಂತೇಳಿ. So if he says that positive of one is connected to negative of another ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. C1 V1 minus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ when positive is connected to negative. ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, negative is connected to negative. So A will be the answer. Next, 14th. If three charges are placed at vertices of an equilateral triangle of charge Q each, then net potential energy ಕೇಳೋಣ. So triangle ಅದ, equilateral triangle means these lengths are same. ಮೂರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅದಾವ Q. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದು U1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿರಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ U2 ಇವೆರಡು ನಡು U3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ U1 will be equal to U2 will be equal to U3. So you will have 3 times U1. So 3 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ Q square. ಅದ್ರ ನಡು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ L. So observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ C is the answer. Clear adare? Next, 15th. Three charges plus Q and plus small q and small q are placed at vertices of an equilateral triangle. ಮತ್ತು triangle equilateral ಅದ. If the net energy of the system is 0. So suppose regular figure ಇತ್ತಂತೇಳಿ, regular figure ಅದ, net energy of the system is 0 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪೆಂಟಾಗಾನ್ ಹಿಂಗ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಹಿಂಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇವನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ CET ಅದು ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ summation of Q1 into Q2 will be 0. So here if I take summation of Q1 into Q2. So first ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಂದ್ರೆ you will have capital Q into small q plus second ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಂದ್ರೆ Q into Q will be Q square. Third ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ, again it will be capital Q into small q will be equal to 0. Small q common ತೆಗಿರಿ, simplify ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 2q plus q will be equal to 0. Then he has asked capital Q. Capital Q will be equal to minus q by 2. Under option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Clear adare? Next, 16th. The capacity of a spherical conductor is. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ he has not told capacitor, he has told conductor. So capacity of spherical conductor is given by 4 pi epsilon naught into R ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ option C is the answer. 17th. The capacity of a parallel plate condenser depends on. So capacity of parallel plate capacitor formula ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ A epsilon naught by D ಅಂತ. So capacity depends upon area, depends upon dielectric medium between two plates, and depends upon separation between plates ಅಥವಾ distance between two plates. ಈಗ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ plates. That is D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Next, 18th. The capacity of a parallel plate capacitor is 12 microfarad. If the distance between plates is doubled and area is halved, the new capacitance will be anta kelna. So capacity of parallel plate capacitor 12 anta kottane microfarad. This I will write it as A epsilon naught by D is equation 1. ಮುಂದೇನಂತನ್ರಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 2D ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಲ್ಡ್, ಎ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು A by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟನ್ಸ್ C dash ಅಂತ ತೋತಾನೆ. ಸೊ A ಇದ್ದದ್ದು A by 2, ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಂಗೆ D ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 2D. ಸೊ A by 2 ಒಳಗಿಂದ 2 ಕೆಳಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 4 ಕೆಳಗೆ A epsilon naught by D. So now this value substitute from 1. So 12 divided by 4. 12 by 4 will be equal to 3. So answer D. 3 is the answer. Next, 19th. A parallel plate condenser has capacitance 50 microfarad in air. So either CA anbodu. And 110 microfarad when immersed in oil. This is CM antane. You are required to find dielectric constant K. So dielectric constant K or epsilon R is given by Cm divided by Ca. So Cm is 110, Ca is 50. So 0 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 2s are 10, 2.2. So option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Last, 3 condenser, each of capacitance 2 farad are put in series. Resultant capacity. So series ಒಳಗದಾವೆ, all 3 are same ಅಂದ್ರೆ identical ಅದ. If identical capacitors are in series, then equivalent capacitance is given by C by N, where C is capacitance, N is number of capacitors. So either 2 other, N 3 other. So answer will be 2 by 3 farad. Option C is the answer. Clear adare? So hope this will be helpful to you. So request you to share with your maximum friends.